Hello everyone, welcome to our online class. Today we are going to discuss a new poem, Meadow Surprises. It was written by Louis Bandit Philip. Let's check about the poet, about Louis Bandit Philip. He was born on June 15, 1942. He was an American poet. He is not only a poet, he is a playwright, author of children's stories, and he worked as editor also. Then we can check some of these works, some of his celebrated works. Must I Be for the Dancing Bear? It was a short story collection. Then The Man Who Ate Einstein's Bread. That was a play. Then The Time, the Hour, the Sultaness of the Place. It was a poetry collection. So these are some of these works. So do you know what is called a meadow? What is by a meadow? Do you have any idea about meadow? Any idea? Meadow is an open field full of grass, soothing air is flowing all over it. Some animals may grazing here and there and eating grass. You may find some beautiful insects and wild flowers and so on. Now try to imagine a meadow according to your wish. Now we will explain the poem stanza by stanza. Then we will explain hard words also. So explanation of the poem. Let's check the first stanza. Meadows have surprises. You can find them if you look. Walk softly through the velvet grass. In this picture you can see velvet grass. So that is softness only saying. And listen by the brook. Brook means a small stream. Stream, that is brook. So velvet grass means it is not the color, it is a smoothness saying. Smoothness of velvet will be there in that grass. So Meadow Surprise is a poem about what we will find if we observe our natural surroundings. In this poem, the poet Louis Bandit Phillips has portrayed his own observation of a meadow. Let's see what he has found, what makes him amused and thrilled. It is true that any natural surrounding is full of surprises. Nothing but a watchful eye and considerate mind is needed to find something beautiful from nature. The poet has found pleasure in walking through the velvet grass. Those are very soft and gentle. So he interested to walk there and enjoy that nature. And the sound of a little stream flowing through the rocks is soothing for ear. Now let's check the stanza 2. You must see a butterfly rest upon a buttercup. Buttercup is a type of wild flower. You can see in this picture it's yellow colored buttercups. This flower is called buttercups. And unfold its drinking straws to sip the nectar up. If you check the buttercups, you can see a butterfly. It was sipping the nectar. Nectar means the honey from it. In this picture you can see. In the meadows you may find a bunch of buttercup flowers are shaking with beads of fresh breeze. You subtle observation through them may find a butterfly resting on a buttercup flower. What is it doing? It is sipping nectar from the flower. So remember, the poet explains us, if you walk through the meadow you can see different type of flowers and you may find the butterfly also. You must scare a rabbit who is sitting very still. In this picture you can see, yes, rabbit is sitting very still. We can't find it. Though at first you may not see him. When he hops you will. Hop means the jumping of rabbit. Hopping, jumping. Meadows are peaceful places for everyone, for us to inhale fresh air and relax, for rabbits also. So when you are wandering in the natural beauty of the meadow, some other animals like rabbit may also be relaxing there. Rabbits are very timid in nature. Vibration of your footstep or your presence may scare them. You may not notice them until they hop in fear. When the rabbits hop is also an amazing view. So there will be rabbits also resting in the meadows. So sometimes we may fear them. A dandelion whose fussy head was golden days ago. That means when the dandelion is a yellow colored flower. When it is uh, first time it will be yellow color, golden dandelion, yellow color. Then it will become color changing. Has turned to airy parachutes that flutter when you blow. So that is dandelion. First time it will be yellow color, then its color changes to grey color. The meadow described in the poem is full of various kinds of flowers. In the first stanza, there is a mention of buttercup. In the fourth stanza, poet has mentioned about dandelion. At first, dandelion blossoms into golden color. Gradually, its golden color fades away and it is transformed into grey or murky color, that light white color. At this stage, if you blow into the dandelion, its grey parts flap in the wind like little bunch of parachutes. So, if you blow on that, it will fly up like parachutes. Then let's check the next stanza. Explore the meadow houses, the burrows in the ground. Burrow means a tunnel or hole. You can see in this picture, a burrow is a burrow. A rabbit is sitting in front of the burrow. Then, a nest beneath tall grasses, the ants' amazing mound. Ants' mound means ant hills. So this is in this picture you can see ant hills or ant house. This is ant hill. You can see in many places ant hills. The poet has explored different kinds of meadow houses made by animal and insects. He has found a hole in the ground which is called burrow. Rabbits, rats, snakes live into this kind of holes. And beneath the trees there are houses of ants. Ants' mound or ant hills. Ants' house is called ants' mound or ant hills. But has mentioned about two types of meadow houses. If you explore, you can find more types of houses. If you explore a meadow, you can also find different kinds of houses. Oh, meadows have surprises and many things to tell. You may discover these yourself if you look and listen well. In the concluding stanza, the poet has mentioned that if we, the readers, find interest in nature, we will find more amazing things because meadows are full of surprises. Thus, he named the poem Meadow Surprises. So, here we are finding up this class. So, I hope you all understood the poem very well. If you have any doubts and other things, you can ask it in the comment box. So the poem Meadow Surprises written by Louis Bandit Phillips has ended here. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.